Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks for coming over today and spending some time with me. You guys are the best. Today I'm going to make some cards. Oh, love you, by the way. Out of some paint pour papers that I had from one of my latest projects that I'm sorry I don't have video for, but it turned out really cool. Anyway, these are like postcard papers that I used the paint pour leftovers on, and it has like a vinyl type of finish and it feels really cool. And I'm gonna use these with black paper, and these words are "Let Love Flow" that I'm gonna put down in the corners. I have a few envelopes, really kind of nice. I think they're like wedding invitation envelopes. They're really kind of nice. So I'm gonna use those, and they're a nice size too. I like the size of them. So I've got my supplies out. So my cards, I'm gonna put those on the black, and then the black's gonna go on this pink. And it looks really kind of Valentine-like. But it's still pretty. I just like the red, black, and pink, red, black, and whites. I like those colors together. And I have my We Are Memory Keepers cutting board / card scorer thingy. And there's my tool. That's not the one that came with the board though. So anyway, I'm gonna get started here, and I'm gonna kind of skip ahead on a few things so you can just kind of get the idea. I'm going to get started and you can watch along and just enjoy. I'm going to use double-sided tape too, by the way. All right, enjoy, and we'll talk to you at the end. like how it looks. I don't know what I'm going to put on the inside. I'll have to think about that. But I like the fibrous paper with the words stamped on them. I think that looks nice. Okay, I'm gonna finish up the rest of them and then I will show you what it looks like at the end. All right, stay tuned. I really like how these turned out. They are really nice and vibrant. I took a little bit of Distress Oxide in worn lipstick and just mushed around the edges of it just to give it a little subtle distinction. And also on the envelopes, I did some right around where the address will be for the recipient. And yeah, I'm really pleased. And I had to get another piece of pink paper that worked, and that's what that other one is. One of these cards is not like the others. You know the song. Anyway, these are fun to make. I enjoyed it a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and that I hope you get a chance to do some crafting today. Love you guys, and take care, everybody. And as always, God bless you. Bye-bye.